Good morning, class. Today we are going to read a chapter from Honeysuckle book, and the name of the chapter is Taro's Reward. Taro's Reward is a Japanese retold story. This is a popular fairy tale in Japan. So, this story, Taro's Reward, is a story about a thoughtful and a loving son. He works very hard in order to fulfill his parents' wishes. Okay, so now let us move on to the story. There was a young woodcutter whose name was Taro. He used to live with his old parents on a lonely hillside, and throughout the day he earned money by chopping wood from the jungle or from the forest. But he could not earn enough money to give his parents everything they needed. Okay, so throughout the day, what he used to do? He used to go to the jungle and chop wood. But by this way, he could not earn enough money to fulfill all the wishes of his parents. Clear? So one evening, what happened? A cold, strong wind started blowing, and all the people in the home, they felt very cold. And at that time, Taro's old father wished for a hot cup of shake. Why he needed a hot cup of shake? So that he could energize his heart and keep himself warm. Shake. What do you mean by shake? Basically, shake is a popular and costly drink of Japan. So when the strong wind blew, all people in the home, they felt very cold. Even Taro's old father was also feeling very cold. So at that time, he wished to have a cup of shake so that he could warm himself. This made Taro very sad because he did not have enough money to buy such an expensive shake. So what he did? He decided to work more hard and earn more money so that he could fulfill his father's wish. Next morning, he got up very early and went to the forest in order to chop wood. He chopped and cut a lot of wood the whole day without resting. And then he felt very tired and thirsty. Suddenly, he heard the sound of rushing water. As he was thirsty, he ran towards the sound, and to his surprise, he saw a beautiful waterfall behind the rock. And he took a sip of water and tasted it. And it was not plain water, rather, it tasted like a shake. He was very happy and filled shake in his pitcher. Pitcher means a pot made up of mud. And after filling his pitcher with shake, he went home. Upon reaching his house, he gave the shake to his father. His father drank it and started dancing with joy. Soon, this news spread throughout the neighborhood. Next morning, when Taro set out to walk carrying a biggest pitcher in the home, on reaching the forest, he found a long queue of people who were filling their pitchers. They were very disappointed because the water did not taste like shake, but it was only just a plain water. People became very angry and they decided to drown Taro in the waterfall for cheating them. Taro, in order to save himself, what he did? He hid behind a rock. And when all the villagers left the place, he went near the waterfall and tasted the water. But to his surprise, he still felt that it was shake. The story of Taro and the magical fountain, it reached the king of Japan. The king rewarded Taro for being good and kind to his parents. Even the king named the beautiful fountain after Taro. The king also awarded Taro with 20 pieces of gold. Why? In order to encourage other children to take care of the parents. So this is all about the story. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is we should take care of our parents and elders. God helps only those person who takes good care of their parents. So this is all about the story. Thank you.